Okay, here we go with tonight's video. We have put Linux Lite 3.0 onto the Asus laptop. And I'm not sure how much of this stuff you can see, but we've got roughly 1.5 gigs set aside for it. That's good old Google there running. Let's check out a website. Pretty slick, if you ask me. Of course, no one is. I'm trying to adjust my camera a little here. There we go. Now, it's not the best platform. We're recording this in the Blue Studio Energy 2 phone, but it does work. Just as well as any Windows box does. Now, this is actually running inside of Windows in a virtual machine. Perhaps eventually I'll give instructions on how to set up a VM, but for the most part, you can figure it out yourself if you have half a brain. Seriously, it's just not that difficult. That's my website here. And let's just try something else here. We're going to switch desktops. Here we are on desktop 1. And we're going to go to the graphics program. And this little program that's loading is called GIMP. That's a graphics image manipulation program. This will do anything that you can do in Photoshop. And it's included, it's free. This entire thing took roughly an hour to set up. From the time I started, I had to make sure to update the software sources. It works pretty well. Now, we're going to just shift that a little. There. Now you're still getting some reflection from a lamp back here. You're going to have to live with that. But you can swap. You can have multiple desktops running. So you could have your Chrome over here, your GIMP over there, and then upload your files. The start menu looks an awful lot like Windows. There just isn't any reason not to try out this particular piece of software, especially if you have an old computer. It's only 955 megabyte download, and you can find it at, I believe it is we'll see. I'm going to give this a try. If I could type, this would be super easy. Huh. And here we go. And the website is linuxliteos.com. From there you can find the download it, install it, have fun. It's a good time. Something to try, especially if you have an older machine. And that is all for tonight.